single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my squishy collection. And I have to give a little thing about my profile picture. I don't know what's going on with it. I can't really seem to change it. I don't know why though, but that's just how it is. So yeah, but I can't really seem to change it, so it's just gonna stay like that probably forever. I don't know, maybe, but yeah. And all of my squishies I keep in here, but I can't really seem to find my actual squishy, that's not made. So pretty much all of these are going to be paper squishies. So yeah, so let's get on with the video. Alrighty guys, so the first squishy that I ever made is this chocolate covered donut, and I really like it. Look, you can see you guys through it. Hello! This one, as you can tell, is my first squishy because it's very badly made. As you can see, it's very stiff, not very slow rising, and it's very, very taped, as you can see, taped to the brim. So that was this one. Hope you guys liked it. On to the next one. So this next squishy is a ice cream squishy, and this is the second one that I've ever made, and it's strawberry ice cream with some chocolate drizzle on the top of it and the cone. And this little pointy thing right here is very pointy, and it hurts, and I poke myself sometimes with it. That's great. But here's the second squishy. It's a lot softer, less taped, but it is still pretty taped. But yeah, hope you guys liked it. On to the next squishy. Alrighty, so this next squishy that I've ever made is a chocolate covered banana. And as you can see right here, I tried giving it a face. Wait, it's supposed to go this way. I don't know which way it's supposed to go, but I tried giving it a face, and it didn't go out too well, as you can see. But yeah, let's just ignore that for now. But this one's a lot softer and a little more slow rising. Let me see if it has holes in it. It does have a hole right there. This stupid camera wants to focus. There we go. It does have a hole right here, but that's okay, and I can squish it like this. It's pretty slow rising, but not very slow rising, so it's getting better as we go on. But yeah, let it focus on my face. Thank you. How about focus on the squishy? Thank you. Oh my god. But yeah, on to the next squishy. Alright, so this next, oh, by the way, okay, hold on, I forgot to explain this. So these two are part of the sweets collection, and these two are part of the fruits collection. So here's another one that I've ever made. It's just an orange with a face on it. I don't know why I did this, but I just did. So yeah, on to the next squishy. This next squishy that I made is absolutely my favorite squishy that I've ever made out of them all, because it's the most slow rising out of all of them. Look at it. Look. It's literally the most slow rising. And it's a panda bun, of course. It's a galaxy panda bun. So So yeah, on to the next squishy. Alrighty, so this next squishy that I made is a dog bun. And this one is also very slow rising, but it's also very airy. So like, yeah. And I really like it. On to the next squishy. Here is the next squishy that I've ever made. It is a galaxy toast. And this one took the longest to make just because I had to wet the color so that they would blend together. And it had to dry, otherwise the tape wouldn't stick. So I had to dry, and then I made it. It didn't have to dry for too long. It just dried really quickly. But yeah, here's the galaxy tooth. On to the next squishy. Alrighty, so this next squishy is a Pop-Tart, and this one's a little bit airy. It's also pretty slow rising, which is really cool. So yeah, on to the next one. This second to last is a pineapple, and I really like it. It's a really nice pineapple. On to the last one. Okay guys, so this is my most slow rising one. It's a bag squishy, and it has Buzz Lightyear on it because, yeah. And I filled it with cotton balls, and then I got this inspired by It's Kayla, aka Kayla Kawaii Squishies. So you basically just cut a hole right there, like on one of the ends of the bag, and then look. Do you see that? That is so slow rising. It's so slow rising. It's really easy to make. Look at Buzz's face, it's so all crinkled. It is so slow rising. I absolutely love this one. And yeah. So those were all of my squishies. As you can see, this box is empty. So yeah, basically all of these were all my squishies. And comment down below which one was your favorite. My favorite was this one. It's the most slow rising out of all of them. And this panda bun. And the Pop-Tart. And all of them. Yeah. Hope you guys liked this video. My Musical.ly and Instagram will be in the description box down below. And bye!